Hi students, so our lesson for today will be about renewable and non-renewable energy resources and energy conservation. But before we'll proceed to the discussion proper, I'll have this first question for you to answer. So, what do you think about when hearing energy resources? So, any words that you think about energy resources? So here we can see sun, renewable, coal, wind. We also have natural gas, water, non-renewable. So yes, all of your words or all of your answers are correct and are related to our topic for today. So first, what does it mean when you hear about energy? So energy is the amount of force or power when applied can move one object from one position to another. Energy exists in everybody, whether they are human or animals or non-living things. Now energy can have many forms. They can be kinetic, potential, light, sound, gravitational, elastic, electromagnetic, or nuclear. But energy are broadly classified into two main groups, and these are the non-renewable energy and the renewable energy. So we'll first talk about renewable energy. Renewable energy is energy which is generated from natural sources such as sun, wind, rain, tides, and can be generated again and again as and when required. They are available in plenty and by far most the cleanest sources of energy available on Earth. So again, I have this question that you need to answer. So here we can see that there's someone who answered coal and someone who answered wind. The correct answer is C, coal, because coal is an example of non-renewable energy resource. So let's proceed to different forms of renewable energy. It can be wind energy, hydro energy, solar energy, biofuel, and geothermal energy. Its advantages are the following. It has wide availability, lower running cost, decentralized power production, low pollution, and available for the foreseeable future. While there are also some disadvantages, and some of them are unreliable supply, usually produced in small quantities, often very difficult to store. Currently, per unit cost of energy is more compared to other types. Before I'll talk about the next type of energy resource, I want you again to answer this quick question. Why does energy sources like natural gas and coal are non-renewable? So here we can see that you all answered A, and yes, the correct answer is letter A, because they are non-renewed by nature or renewed very slowly over millions of years. So non-renewable energy resources is a natural resource that cannot be remade or regrown at a scale comparable to its consumption. So its advantages: it is available in highly concentrated form, they are easy to store, reliable supply, and lower cost per unit of energy produced as the technology is matured. And its disadvantages are highly polluting, available only in few places. They have high running costs, and they are limited in supply. So now we'll talk about energy conservation. So why conserve? So we have limited fuels or energy resources available on Earth, and our demand for energy is increasing day by day. So it is possible that someday most of these fuels will be exhausted and we'll have to switch over to alternate energy. So we really need to make our part or to do our part in order to conserve energy. Before we end up our discussion, I'll just have some reviews from you. So what do you think of our discussion for today? So that's all for today, and see you, and thank you for listening.